To unhide photos and videos on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we need to open the gallery. We're gonna switch to albums, and of course we need to open the private album, so I'm gonna swipe down. There we go. We're gonna enter the password, and once we have access to the private album, once we open it, over here we should be able to just simply tap on any photo or video that we want to remove, and then we can use this square with an arrow that we have at the bottom of the screen. Then we need to choose where we want to save that that photo or video, where it should be placed. So I'm just gonna choose this general camera album over here, and there we go. The hidden photo is now unhidden. Now, besides that, we can also press and hold our finger in order to select the first file, and of course we can select multiple files at once. And then here at the bottom we have remove from private album, the same icon, so we can unselect it, and then once again we can choose which album we want it to be saved again. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.